Okay, London session live. H4 bar is about to close in 2 minutes. Lots of nice movement. Yen pairs gapped up. Usually price will want to fill that gap, but we're staying above on the London pairs here. All of them look not too bad. Euro JPY I don't really like because we're faking out the range here. Want to stay above that. So probably don't want to go for that one. While GJ and Swiss J look pretty good. I think GJ might be a little too high up here. Let's see where Swiss JPY. I think Swiss JPY is better. So I think I might go for this one. 1.5 minutes here. I want to see price come down, trigger, fake out a low, and then take this back up. It'd be great if it comes down, fakes that out. Has not triggered anything on the daily here. Let's see. I'm going to range, but too high up. Okay, so that's that. USD pairs. I like Euro USD. Nothing else. I'm just looking at the quick buy section. Only Euro USD. UJ, I don't mind. UJ's, I mean, is lit up, but we're in a range here. I think Euro USD looks nicer. So I don't mind this one. Let's see if this can pull back. H2 closes. H4 closes, breaking out of a range here. We faked out one side of the range and we're breaking out, so I would expect price to come up, fake out the low. I already have my alert there. So I'll have a look at Euro USD as well as Swiss JPY. Euro pairs also, they're all kind of moving quite nice. We're faking out levels here, so I don't want to touch this one. Do want this to come back up. Saw this in the morning. Monthly looking good. Wanted to come down, reject the low, and it did not reject. It just continued to break out. So I would love to see. Actually, I would love to see this close and break out. This would be good if it closes and break out. This gets pushed down, and then I could look for a move tomorrow instead. All right, so the rest, they're kind of, they're at levels here. Euro CAD, don't really like right being in that daily breakout level. Euro JPY had that higher time frame range. Euro Oz, don't mind this one. Okay, I got my alert here. Let's see what's going on with Euro Oz. Strong push down. This looks not bad either, so don't mind this one either. So Euro USD or Euro Oz, I don't mind. So I do want this to come back up. Trigger that. GBP pairs, Euro GBP looks good. So again, I think Euro pairs are moving nice. Yen pairs as well. Nothing here that I can see immediately. Swiss pairs, Aussie Swiss, that's kind of ugly. Lots of levels in here. So I think only Swiss JPY. All right, so it's going to be Swiss JPY, Euro USD, or Euro Oz, whichever one sets up. And let's see what's going on here. H4 bar just closed. UJ, didn't like that when I saw it. Euro USD, that's one I'm looking at. Silver traded in New York. CAD-J New York. Gold. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold, I'm bullish on gold. A little bit tricky to get in. I think I was thinking of a buy here, but there was no rejection of the low and just continued pushing up. Now we're too high up. I want this to come down, so I'm not going to be looking at gold. I think for me, it's going to be Euro USD. And let's put it here. Swiss JPY, Euro GBP JPY, Euro USD. Oops. Wrong one. And Euro Oz. I think these are the four that I'm going to be focused on. Indices, not really in positions I want. Okay, so just going to focus on these four for now. Oh yeah, GJ was too high up, so I think Swiss JPY, and I'll just keep gold here. Right, so these are the four that I'm going to be focused on. And I already got my alerts, and I'll just see if price triggers. All right, so Euro Oz looks like the first one to be setting up here. Euro USD is coming down, Euro Oz is coming up. And so now I'll be looking at that one. Let's see if we can get an entry over here. All right, so let me just double check. This is based off of this H4 bar. Price is retracing now and has come up and triggered that M3. So it's a trend retracement setup. Time is good. All right, so trend retracement setup. Bearish one. I want to see price. Want to see higher time frame directional bias. We have that. We're bearish here. There are some issues. We don't have market expansion on the monthly, meaning that we don't have a breakout bar, current one or previous one. This is a little bit different because I'll be. This is more of a trading inside of a range. We've faked out one side, so I don't mind going for this one. So I still think that we have higher time frame directional bias. I want to see a breakout bar at key levels. We have that breakout bar. And now I want to see price retrace back to the breakout level, fake out the momentum time frame, and take the trade back down and possibly higher than that on the H4. So I trade the H4 bar on the M3. Execution time frame at the bottom there, H4 bar is traded on the M3. Last H4 close bearish breakout. I want to see price retrace to that breakout level, fake out the momentum time frame, and then take the trade down. So these are the three levels that are in play. Still a bit away from that breakout level, but we are close to that previous week low. So I still don't mind this one. We're in breakout on the weekly. And so once price retraces and triggers that momentum time frame, then I'm looking for breakout alignment patterns. These are my breakout alignment patterns. H4 is in trend breakout. So trend breakouts, I'm looking for breakout alignment, reversal, continuation, or pullback. The way I identify the pattern is I look for the H1 breakout level, which is the momentum time frame, and we're breaking out below the low, coming up, faking out the high above that breakout level. So I immediately know we're in a pullback pattern here, breaking up below the low, came up, faked out the high. Very small range here, but technically that is one. And then the safe entry is this pullback continuation move. So it's right now showing me the pullback continuation, but we're still below this M15 breakout level. Since it's so close to that high, I'm going to treat this more as a fake out retracement move. And so what that means is I can drop down to find a little bit more clarity what's going on over here. So once you trigger that H1, then it allows me to trade the M1 bar. So I'm dropping down to the M1 now. We have a breakout followed by a fake out. Not M1 bar, I mean the H1 bar. I can trade that H1 bar on the M1. Breakout followed by fake out. This is a trend continuation. Well, technically it's a pullback continuation because the previous H1 high is above that breakout level. But there's no way that I can find this trade from the high to that breakout level. So I'm seeing this more as a trend continuation. So trend continuation, again, I'm looking for my alignment patterns. Look at the breakout level. We have it right over here. We're faking out the high. That's the rejection. I always want to see the market reject the move up. And now I'm looking for price to get back under. So if we can get back under, I'm all right taking this move. Looks like we're in ranges here as well as on the M5. Let's have a quick look. NJ, I don't trade NJ in London. So there's a bit of room to go. So let's see if we can get one here on the H8 instead. The H8 is currently breaking out, so this might be a move for that might retrace for New York. So I have to be careful about that. Okay, so it might come up even higher than this. But if I get momentum, then I don't mind going for this. Let me just, I'm gonna go on MetaTrader and just set up. All right, good to go. I just need to see price close below, and I'll just set an alert here. I don't think it's as clean as Euro USD, so but Euro USD is not pulling up yet. And so because Euro USD hasn't pulled up yet, there might be a chance that this might continue up to that level on the M5 instead. Okay, so still nothing. Let's see if I get any entry here. M30 breakout level is bullish, so the M30 is pushing up. So I think safer sells would be below here. Just mark that off as well. Okay, so it is Monday. I don't need to be so aggressive. If I don't see what I like, I'm not going to force it. And that's it now. I just wait. All right, so finally, Euro Oz has come up. And okay, so we're 2 hours away from the H8, so I might wait for that. Or rather, it might set up over there instead. But if I'm going to take it right now, what I want to see, okay, the M15 looks not bad. We're at a good breakout level. Now I want to see price reject the top, and then flipping the M15 would be the entry. Do already have a rejection of the H1. It would be even better if we can get up just a little bit higher, reject the top, and then get in on the flip. So range on the H1, H2 is all right. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting for. I want to see price come up, fake that out, and then flip the M30 would be good to go. M10 is bullish, so let me have a quick look at the M10 here. Breakout level down here. Would like to see a breakout here on the M10 just to move that breakout level up. Okay, so yeah, need to get rejection, otherwise I have to wait for the break of the low. All right, so price did not come up, fake out the high, but it is breaking out of the low. I'm using the H1 as the rejection. So I'm going to wait for this 1.5 minutes. Timing is not good. Okay, I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then see where we are. All right, so this is pushing up now. It's really like where it is right now. Don't like the timing of this H8. 1.5 or just under 2 hours here. A safer trade is to wait for the H8. So I'm not going to take this one, and I'll be waiting for the H8 bar to close. We're on a range here, faked out the low. I would expect price to get up to the highs. Don't usually trade Euro Oz in New York. It's not a New York pair, but any pair can move at any time. The only reason why I stick to New York pairs is in New York session is so that I don't look at every single pair at every single session. It's just going to get so mentally draining doing it like that. But if I do see a nice setup, then this is something that I'll continue to look at. So I'll be looking at this in New York session for sure. But I think London session is done for now.